Here's how I made 30K this month from dropshipping. $30,000 in sales in the last 30 days, as you guys can see. A lot of people on here make it more complicated than it is, so I'm going to try my best to break it down as simple and easy as possible for you guys. Okay, so the first thing you guys need to do is find a winning product. Usually I go for products that are gadgets or accessories, or any products that are related to women's. I've sold a lot of different products by now, but those are my two favorite ones. And once you guys have your product, the second step is to actually set up your Shopify store. Just go on Shopify and set up a free account. While you guys are setting up your store, you're probably going to need a supplier for it. If you guys go to my link tree, you guys can actually use one for completely free. AutoDS literally fulfills all your orders for you. They actually also help you find winning products as well. Once you guys have your store and your supplier set up, you can either run organic ads on TikTok or Instagram, or you can also run paid ads as well. When you guys do this, just make sure you guys have a good testing and scaling strategy. You're welcome for not gatekeeping. If you guys have any other questions, then let me know.